Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back with me WDO. Now I'm gonna make a video about this one. This is the comparison between two MacBook Pro. This is on the left side is the MacBook Pro 2011 and on the right side is the MacBook Pro 2015. So in this year 2025, is it still can compete with today's MacBook? Let's check this video out. Now I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, as you can see, my left one is a little bit broken, the screen. Yeah, it's a um, you know a little bit burned. Yeah, but that's not a problem. We just gonna check the function. Yeah, as for the information, two of this MacBook already, the two of all of these MacBooks already installed to the latest OS, which is the 15.7 Sequoia, and also can update and upgrade to the macOS 26, but I don't upgrade it yet. Maybe next I will make the video. Okay, wait. As you can see, it's need a little bit time to boot up. Yeah, which one will be faster, the 2011 or the 2015? Yeah, of course. Okay, it's still lagging, something like that. Just wait. Okay, it's a little bit blurry, but don't worry. But we just gonna check the function. Yeah, the functionality, it's still loading to going to the main screen. As you can see, it's already go to the main screen, and that's the wallpaper over there. And then the 2011 MacBook Pro still not loading yet. Now to make sure this is real MacBook Pro, I will show you here the about this Mac, and then okay, this one. Yeah, about this Mac. Okay, about this Mac, and then just wait. Okay, it's still need a little bit time. Maybe no, I'm gonna okay, that this one about this Mac. As you can see, this is MacBook Pro 2015. Can you see it? And macOS Sequoia. I'm just gonna blur the. Nah, on the left side, yeah, the wallpaper not uh, we cannot see the wallpaper. Yeah, but I will show you that this is the real MacBook Pro 2011. We just gonna, I'm sorry, I need a mouse for this. Yeah, because the touchpad is a little bit broken. About this Mac. Okay, this one. Okay, this one. Yeah, MacBook Pro. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, 2011. This one Core i7 with 8 gig of RAM, already Sequoia, and this one Core i5. Yeah, as you can see, which I mentioned before, both of it can upgrade it to macOS 26. I will show you. I just click it. Yeah, the software update. Yeah, over here, software update. You just see. Yeah, just wait. And this one also software update. Just wait. Yeah, we'll see it's can update to macOS. Yeah, this macOS 15.7, macOS 15.7. Both of the MacBooks can update to the macOS 26. We'll see it. Yeah, checking for update. It's still checking for update. Just wait. Okay, this one a little bit bigger. Yeah, 15-inch. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah, macOS. What is that? Tahui. I don't know what to pronounce it, because English is not my native. Yeah, so the right side already know the MacBook Pro 2015. Yeah, it's the right side a little bit faster. Yeah, not little bit, it's a lot of faster than the left side. Yeah, this one, just wait. Yeah, now let's open the maybe the standard, to uh, a lot of tab. Yeah, I'm gonna open Microsoft Word, and then I'm gonna open Chrome also to see the speed of the MacBook over here also. I'm gonna open Microsoft Word, and then I'm gonna open the Chrome also. Yeah, already open. Yeah, this is the Chrome. Maybe we're gonna open up YouTube. Okay, yeah, that's the speed of the MacBook 2011. Yeah, something like that, as you can see. Yeah, and then something like that. Now let's check the speed of this one. This is the speed of the MacBook Pro 2015. Yeah, I think it's a little bit faster on the right side. Yeah, on the 2015. Okay, thing like that. Yeah, okay. So if I can tell you, yeah, if you plan to upgrade your MacBook 2011 Pro to macOS Sequoia, it's, you know, not bad. Yeah, you can still use it. Yeah, as you can see, I can still use it for multitasking. Yeah, this one, the Microsoft Word. Yeah, I open Microsoft Word, I also open the YouTube. It still can handle it, great, something like that. Yeah, and then on the right side, MacBook Pro. Yeah, this one is really convenient to use, MacBook Pro 2015, because I think because the processor is newer, something like that. So maybe what else we gonna check? I think it's all that we have to check from this MacBook. The update, it still can update to the latest Mac OS, and then the speed. Yeah, this one is really great, works flawlessly. But this one a little bit lag. Yeah, 2015 MacBook Pro, Core i5 8 gig of RAM, Core i7 8 gig of RAM, something like that. So if you have a question or you have a experience also with these two MacBook, you can ask me in the comment down below. That's all maybe about my video. Last but not least, you can try to update your old MacBook. There's a bunch of the step on the YouTube. I'm not gonna make it because uh, the everybody already made it. Yeah, so I just make the comparison, something like this. So ciao ciao, see you on the next video. Bye bye.